How to change ship name in Helldrivers 2. For this, first and foremost, go ahead and launch your Helldrivers on your PC. So it is very simple to change your ship name. Once you are in your Helldrivers homepage, you have to go under Constructions. Once you go under Constructions, you have to go ahead and tap on the E alphabet key on your keyboard. Once you tap on it, you will see the layout something like this. So right here, as you can see, there is no ship name for now. However, let's suppose there is a ship name. At the bottom, you will see Change Ship Name. You have to tap on the bubble given to you. Once you tap on it, you will reach here in this layout. To change your ship name, scroll through the list of your left-hand side and select any word that you want to, and that will be the first name of the ship. Similarly, you will see list of words in this right list. You have to scroll through all of this and select a word that you want. And once you have selected it, you'll be adding a second name for your ship. And just like that, you will be able to change the ship name. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.